Hey guys, Leah here from Unbox, and I have good news for you. We have another giveaway! Yay! Just the other Sunday, we announced the winner of the OPPO F7. Ngayon naman, we'll be giving out an OPPO A83. Now, while this is a budget device, it actually packs a punch, especially sa inyo na mahilig sa mobile gaming. If you want to learn more about the device, I've shared the link in the description down below. Actually, I highly recommend that you click on those links because you may have to refer to them if you want to win an OPPO A83. So, ano nga ba yung mechanics? First, if you're watching this on YouTube, there's a link in the description below. Click on it and it will take you to the contest page on our website. There may mga questions about A83 that you have to answer. Make sure you answer correctly, guys. Third, share the article and tag 2 of your friends, and of course, follow us on Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram. That's it! While this is a raffle, we will be checking kung tama yung mga sagot nyo. So, double check your answer, guys. We will be announcing the winner on July 29, that's a Sunday, 8 p.m. via Facebook Live. Also, sorry guys, but this raffle is exclusive to our Philippine viewers. Kaya guys, I'll see you on July 29, 8 p.m. Best of luck to you all. Bye!